Alright, so we threw a square across there and found intersection here and here, connected the line, measured 22 3/4, drew a perpendicular bisector out to there at 5 11/16 so we could triangulate point, and then we came over here in AutoCAD and we did some sneaky math that I won't show you, but we drew it there. It's on the table. We opened up the CAM software. The CAM nested all these puppies so that the 3/8 cutter will avoid hitting each other. And then on the programming side, we've got our preview toolpath. Oh, hold on a second. Oop. Reset preview. Boop. There we go. So we're going to cut one, make sure it works. So let's get into control software. Alright, first things first, enable home. It's going to do a little bit of movement over there. Screen's updating the DRO right here. Turret spins. All the lights turn green. We're good to go. Right there, good to go. Compressor kicked on. Let's see. File ops, load G code. Oh, I didn't load G code yet. File, close, profile, save, toolpath. Oh, I did already do it. I thought so. I put it in the wrong folder. Like that. Alright, and there's our shape that the computer's going to cut out of the corner over there. Go back to our program. Overrides are set to reasonable. Run ops vacuum table on. Good call. He's going to open the valves. He was paying attention in school. Everything is good. We hit run. Do a tool change. Grab our 3/8 combo compression. Dust collector's on. Cutting one for now, make sure we got the shape right. Second pass cuts all the way through. Didn't kick it, it's a win.